Sir, you have no authority for what you're about to state because what you're about to state is incorrect. That's not the way it works. You don't get to make the rules.
I'm not.
I'm ordering a competency.
It's against my religion to adhere or to assimilate to any statutory.
As it stands right now, this proceeding is not on indigenous land.
Well, that's a matter of perspective, sir.
It is, and the only perspective that's going to matter on that is mine. Young man, you're going to figure out something. We're playing by my rules, not yours. So you do not say anything because you're going to figure that out real soon. I said you can go.
Guys, today we've got Judge Simpson going head-to-head with a stubborn sovereign citizen. And trust me, this one's a ride. This guy pulls out every single card from the sovereign citizen playbook, and it does asterisk not asterisk go well. He's reaching for every excuse in the book to dodge responsibility. But Judge Simpson? Yeah, he's not buying asterisk any asterisk of it. Things get very heated in this courtroom showdown. And while you're watching, let me know, do you think this guy is actually mentally unstable, or is he just putting on an act to stall? Let's dive in and see how this battle between Judge Simpson and the sovereign citizen all got started.
I am Tariq Maratari Kade, the executor of the Tariq Maratari Kade Living Trust and the registered owner of the Tariq Maratari Kade Ex Relatione Kindaman Wilson Estate.
Right. So you are appearing here without an attorney. I do have to advise you that you are charged with the offense of fleeing and eluding in the third degree under the Motor Vehicle Code. That is a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and or a $1,000 fine plus court costs. Additionally, the Secretary of State could suspend your driving privileges for up to a year. Do you understand that, sir?
I comprehend.
Do you understand?
I comprehend, yes.
The court has to further advise you that if you wish to be represented by counsel, the court would ensure that counsel would be appointed to represent you in this matter and that you would have counsel if you could not afford to hire counsel yourself. I also wish to advise you that the court would be treating you the same as it would the people in this case. There are certain dangers to representing yourself in this matter. In that you will be required to abide by the Michigan court rules, the Michigan rules of evidence, and all of the cases and statutory requirements. You understand that?
I do not.
You do not. What is it about that you do not understand?
It's against my religion to adhere or to assimilate to any statutory.
Sir, I'm not asking anything about your religion. It is irrelevant to me. I am indicating that in this proceeding, you will be required to abide by the rules of this court. Do you understand that?
I'm having a hard time understanding why or how religion doesn't play a role.
How what?
How religion does not play a role.
Religion does not play a role in what I do or what this court does. There are certain rules of this court established by the legislature and the Michigan Supreme Court regarding how these particular proceedings will be conducted. These proceedings will be conducted in accord with those rules. Do you understand that, sir?
Well, according to the American Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, as well as the international or the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous Peoples, the state and the government should...
Sir, you have no authority for what you're about to state because what you're about to state is incorrect.
School. Man, this is why I respect Judge Simpson so much. He's just a no-nonsense judge who refuses to play along with these sovereign citizen shenanigans. And honestly, we need way more of that. I swear, half the judges I cover on here are way too soft on these people, and it just drags the whole process out. These sovereign citizens really think they can just talk their way out of anything, but you can literally see this guy has no clue what he's even saying. It's like he's reading a script in his head and hoping the magic words make the case disappear. Spoiler, they don't. It blows my mind how far they'll go to dodge accountability, like they've never even heard of actual laws before. The US legal system runs on facts, not made-up fairy tales about sovereign immunity or being free from authority. Now, I know most of these guys seem harmless, but here's the real question. Should we start taking sovereign citizens more seriously, or just keep treating them like the circus sideshow they've become? Let me know what you think.
Oh, I am an indigenous person.
No,
So I do have
sir, what you're about to state is incorrect.
Well,
If you were on indigenous lands, if that's where you're going, then maybe you might be right. As it stands right now, this proceeding is not on indigenous land.
well, that's a matter of perspective, sir.
It is, and the only perspective that's going to matter on that is mine. We are not on indigenous lands, subject to indigenous or tribal rules.
Is there
You
a
are
law?
subject to the rules of the Michigan Supreme Court as they are promulgated, both in terms of procedure and evidence. Do you understand that that's what's happening, sir?
I do not.
What is it that you do not understand?
I don't understand.
Because I'm going to tell you something, sir. If you are unable to establish or understand what I'm saying, and go through this with you again, I have to assume that there may be some reason why you don't understand. This court will take precautions to protect your rights, and I will be sending you for a competency evaluation to make sure that you are competent to stand trial and to stand in these proceedings.
Well, I would agree to a competency if the prosecution, as well as the court and the officers, agree to take a competency.
That's not the way it works. You don't get to make the rules.
I'm not.
I'm ordering a competency.
I'm not making.
Defendant is ordered for a forensic evaluation. I will set a competency hearing in this matter for July 25th, 2024. At what time? At 9 a.m. Now, sir, I'm going to ask you this
Yes, sir.
because it's going to depend on where you may be staying for a period of time. If they send you information as to when you have your forensic interview,
Yes, sir.
are you going to cooperate and attend that interview?
Under threat, duress, and coercion. Yes.
Pardon?
Under threat, duress, and coercion. Yes.
No. Not how it works.
I can feel Judge Simpson about to erupt right now. I've seen him snap before, and trust me, this guy is one smart remark away from catching a contempt charge. You can literally see it in Simpson's eyes. He's trying to stay calm. But this sovereign citizen is just begging for the hammer to drop, honestly. I swear this dude must have had paint for lunch because I'm losing brain cells just listening to him talk. He's so far out of his depth it's painful. And the wild part? He doesn't even realize how close he is to getting smacked with jail time. Judge Simpson's patience is running on fumes, and if this guy doesn't shut his mouth soon, he's about to find out the hard way that sovereign citizen scripts don't work in real courtrooms. Alright, let's dive back in and see if this clown keeps pushing his luck.
I'm asking you, are you voluntarily going to cooperate?
I say yes.
Pardon?
I mean, yeah. I mean, is this what are, excuse me, what are you relaying to in regard? What are you insinuating in regards to where I will stay for a time?
I'm going to make sure that we are going to have our forensic interview done. I've ordered a forensic interview. I am asking you whether or not, when given notice of that interview, whether or not you are going to voluntarily cooperate in that interview.
I will take the interview.
Excuse me?
I will take the interview.
Anything from the people?
Would the court ask the people to prepare the order for the competency?
Yes, please prepare the order for this. Is that your address, sir?
Excuse me? That's correct.
All right. All right, very good.
And so I will send a copy to that address.
Very good. All right. This time then bond is continued.
Yes, sir. And I'm sorry. Can I get that date again, please, sir? I can put it in my calendar.
July 25th. You were supposed to, so I'm assuming you're waiving it. You were supposed to file your motion with
I
the
did.
court.
I filed it.
When did you file it?
I brought it in today.
Do we have it?
I gave it. I mean, it was stamped and everything. I gave it to the reception.
Why didn't you file it before today?
Well, as I stated at the last hearing,
No, don't go through what you
a week.
stated at the last hearing.
Well, you
You
asked.
knew that, no, you knew it was supposed to be filed before the day. Young man, you're
That's
gonna figure out something. We're playing by my rules, not yours. So you know, do not say anything because you're gonna figure that out real soon. Do they have it?
I have not received a response yet.
Since I'm sending in for competency, I can't hear that. I can't hear his motion in any event. So I won't hear his motion at this time. He'll have to refile it timely if he's determined to be competent. So I'll have his bond continue. He can go. What?
I didn't get the last part that you said. The bond continued and what?
I said you can go.
Oh, okay, no problem.
I actually covered the follow-up to this clown's hearing a while ago, so definitely check that out if you want to see how this saga continues. But for real, if Judge Simpson gave me the death stare after spitting out all those dumb lines, I'd be rethinking my entire approach in court. Forget boots, I'd be shaking an sandal star. The thing about sovereign citizens is, it's not just ignorance, it's ego. Some of them really buy into the nonsense, sure. But a lot of these guys, they they are wrong. Their pride just won't let them admit it, so they keep doubling down until the judge finally drops the hammer. And speaking of Judge Simpson, this is exactly how it should be. No nonsense, no pandering, just keeping people in check the way the law was designed to. Way too many judges go soft on these people, and that just encourages the circus to keep rolling. Honestly, lock them on an island or a jail where they can argue maritime law to each other and stop clogging up the courts. The world would be better off. But hey, that's just me. What do you guys think? Should judges across the board be tougher on sovereign citizens, or do we keep letting them embarrass themselves for our attainment? Drop your thoughts below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like and subscribe. I post new content every single day. Thanks for watching, and as always, take care of yourselves out there.